numbers, for example. What are these two numbers, Rylan?
63 and 36.
Yeah. All right, who can make 63? Evelyn? Kennedy, do you want to make 36?
Yep.
All right, Evelyn's making 63, you're making 36. What's the same about these two numbers? Daniel?
That you just change the 3 over here and the 6 over there. And then if you want to like change it, you change the 6 here and the 3 over there.
Good, so they have the same, what are those called? Okay, they have the same digits, right?
But just opposite.
You have another, yep, just opposite. So this is a 6 and a 3, and this is a 3 and a 6. But how do we say this number? We don't say 6-3, do we? How do we say this number?
63.
63, and how do we say this number?
36.
36. Okay, what were you gonna say, Caleb?
If you add this to that, it makes 6.
What, this number and this number?
Yeah, it makes 6 and it makes 6 and 6 is over there too.
What do you mean by that?
3 plus 3 equals 6.
Okay, but is this a 3 though?
Yeah.
Is it? But what is?
It's a 30.
That
Oh.
equals 60.
Yeah, so this is a 30 and this is a 3. So that's one of the differences. Let's look at the numbers. Thank you so much, ladies, for building those numbers for us. Evelyn, can you tell us how you built your number 63?
So I knew I did the 60 first, so I got 60 tens, and then when I knew I got those, and I looked in the box and I got 3 of them.
Okay, how many is this?
60,
Okay, how many tens did you have to get?
6.
Oh, you got 6 tens. Okay, at first I thought you said 60 tens. Okay, good. So you have, how many is this again, did you say?
6.
This is 6.
Tens.
Yeah, but what did you say the number is? 60. 60. So you have 60 popsicle sticks here, right? 60. So she got 60 popsicle sticks, and then she got how many more, Daniel? 3. So she got 60 plus 3 more, and she knows that that equals how much altogether, Rylan?
63.
Good. All right, Kennedy, can you tell us what you did here?
So I just got 3 tens because I knew the 10 was 3.
Okay.
And then I just know that 3 plus 3 is 6, so I got 3 and 3, and then I put them together.
Thank you for explaining your strategy. I like how you said that. So how many do you have right here?
30.
You have 30 right there. Okay, so you're telling me that 36 equals 30, and then how many more did you have to add on?
6.
6. So you're telling me that 63 is the same thing as 60 plus 3, and 36 is the same thing as 30 plus 6. So, Daniel, in the beginning you were saying these are the same numbers, right? These are the same digits. They have the same digits, but they're switched around. So because they're switched around, are they the same numbers? They're the same amounts? No, because we know that, and these are called arrow cards, guys.
Yeah.
So have you all ever seen these before?
No.
Okay, so these are going to be something new that we're going to be using. So this helps us visualize what numbers are made up of, okay? So we know that 63 is made up of 60 and 3. So we can always pull it apart to see the different parts, all right? And this is how we split the numbers. When we split it into their place value parts. Okay, so we know 36 is 30 and 6, just like you guys did there. Okay, have you guys ever seen this before? When you write a number like this, 63 equals 60 plus 3, do you know what that's called?
No.
No? It's called, I bet you have heard this before, expanded
Expanded
form.
form.
That's right. Okay, so expanded form is when you write a number in its expanded form, which is what we just did. All right, so under our example, we put on the board, we'll do 36. And how do we write 36 in expanded form?
Wait.
Evelyn?
36 equals 30
Good, so we're splitting, so it's like, it's called decomposing, which is another D word. But we're splitting the number, we're decomposing it, right? We're splitting it into the two parts. Caleb, how would I write 63 in expanded form?
You would get 60
Okay,
plus 3 equals 63.
good.
It's like if you said 128, you would have to get a 100.
Yep.
You have to get a 20, and then you have to get an 8.
Oh, that's good. You're doing hundreds now. That's awesome. You are already a step ahead of the game. So, if we're going to get really good at writing numbers in expanded form, and that is going to help us. The reason why we're doing this, guys, is because it's going to help us add two numbers together. So, thank you, Evelyn. All right, so I'm going to give each of you guys a number, and you're going to think pair share. You're going to think about what your number would be in expanded form, and then you're going to turn to your partner and tell them what it would be. So think about it first, and then turn and talk. When you're ready, turn to your partner so they know you're ready.
No, I said I'm not ready.
Would be 9, or was 70, and
Like
then
70
what it would
is
plus
7,
it would
no,
be
you
4.
get 10,
And then my expanded form would be
7, add it onto it,
8
it makes 7.
plus 8. Wait, 80 plus.
So, 45 equals
80 plus.
40 plus 5.
80
What did you
plus.
say?
This would be 20 plus 2.
So yeah, 17
Equals
80 plus 8 equals 80.
17 equals, equals
Oh.
7.
I'll talk a little bit better.
Is that what he said?
Yeah, you did
Okay.
it.
What would yours be?
I said 80 plus 8 equals 80.
So the number is 22.
We're doing it like
And
this.
once you add
You have
20 plus
88,
2,
so
okay.
88.
So then you do
80 plus 8 equals 88.
that's better. Yeah.
Very good. All right, let's talk about each one of yours and see if you are correct. Rylan, do you want to go first? What's your
yeah.
number?
88.
Okay, 88 equals what?
80. Plus 8. equals
Finger on your nose if you agree. Good. All right, Daniel, what's yours?
74.
What's yours equal?
74.
Plus 2.
Finger on your nose if you agree. Do I need to add something, Rylan? What do I need to add?
You need to add the plus sign.
That's right. And do you know I can also write it like this? 70 and 4.
Yeah.
Did you know and also means plus? Evelyn.
45
Okay.
equals 40
Yep.
plus 5.
Very good. Finger on your nose if you agree.
I noticed something really funny.
Tell us.
It's like reversed. 8 plus
Yeah,
8
yeah, yeah.
equals 8. No, 8 plus 8 equals 80, and 8 plus 80 equals 88.
So you're saying that I could also write it like this: 8 plus 80.
Equals 8. I was thinking it was
That's right.
80. Yeah, it's like
I was doing 80 plus 8 equals 88.
It's like the same thing. It's just backwards.
It is. That's the same thing. Absolutely. And that's one of the properties of addition. We know that we can switch the numbers and it still equals the same thing. You guys are so smart.
That's what I was just thinking about.
You were?
Yeah, I knew that for the whole time.
Oh
That's
my
what I
gosh,
just-
you all are so smart.
I
Okay.
knew that.
Okay, Kennedy, what's yours?
It is 22 equals 20. I mean 2. I want to do the new thing. 2 plus 20 equals 22.
Good. Okay, what's yours?
10 plus 7 equals 17.
All right, I'm gonna write it out this way. So 17 equals 10 plus 7. Finger on your nose if you agree. Okay, last one.
59
All right.
equals 50 plus 9.
Good. Finger on your nose if you agree. Very good. All right, you guys are really, really good at writing numbers.